my best friend, my biggest supporter, my crazy partner in life. I love you because of how hard we fought for our love. I love you because you're spontaneous and crazy and you refuse to ever be normal. I love you because our love is so fun and carefree. There's no possession or control, just respect and freedom to live our lives both together and separate, in partners, in everything. But most of all, I love you because after today, after 16 years of you being my boss, there's finally going to be a new boss in town. I promise to be your partner in all things and to love you and care for you. And I will try my absolute best not to make us late for everything. But I'm not making any promises.
Thank you.
But most of all, I promise to always be your best friend, your princess, and your pepper. I love you.
You did it, honey.
You did it.
Rachel, you are so beautiful in every way, and I could not be a happier man to take you as my wife today, at one of our favorite places in the world. Thank you for giving me a chance to prove myself to you. 11 years ago on West Mountain, when I asked you to be my girl, you made me feel like the happiest guy in the whole world when you said yes. We've been through so much together since then, and have made so many beautiful memories together. I'm so excited to continue this beautiful life. Like you say it, honey, you really are the best. I truly am spoiled and so very lucky that you're going to be stuck with me forever now. Rachel, I promise I will always continue to love and spoil you too for the rest of my life.